Let's play some Tetris, motherfucker.
Check out where the fudge have you been? Well, anonymous fan, boy and or girl, I have been having a life. Okay, so I've been working on this super special video for you guys with this person that I like a lot, yeah, a lot. And so that's where I've been, and other reasons, which isn't a good acceptable excuse, I know, because yeah. So but I will be having more videos for you guys, at least one once a week, which I've been keeping up with pretty good, but you know, you guys want more apparently. Yoga. Be sure to put one leg up, like so, and put your hands in the motion upwards, and forth, and forth. Okay, so I'm really bored with myself, so I'm gonna get it going and make some friends with cats.